pick, huh? All right. This is at the Hampton Inn. These are bouncy. Huh. I have a large elevator lobby out here. Just your basic Schindler. This is the Hampton Inn in Omaha, Nebraska. And it has a really thick door frame, which usually means the jack is right behind there. Oh, sorry, you getting up?
Sorry.
No, you're fine. First floor?
Yeah.
So I'm just filming for a project about elevators.
Okay. Ours are having problems too, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, the newer ones are usually, that's just how it goes. These newer ones aren't, they're not as good
They
as the
don't
old
last
ones.
long.
They really, I mean, that's how
We've had
everything
maintenance
is.
off and on.
Cars, phones, elevators, it's all like that.
Yep.
Have a good one.
You too.
Anyway. Here's the breakfast area. Very sunny day. I wonder if that room has a window that opens into there. That'd be funny. Anyway, that's all.